everyone. Today we are going to do a topic complex number. Complex numbers. Now before telling you what is a complex number क्या होता है? First of all let me tell you what are its applications. ये कहाँ पर यूज होता है? First of all, it is used in solving mathematical equations as well as it is used in applied mathematics. Second, it is used in signal analysis, Fourier ने इसको यूज किया है in studying the oscillations produced in AC as well as electromagnetic waves. Third is 2D designing of buildings and cars. It is used in fluid dynamics. For example, calculating pressure and movements on aircrafts and calculating pressure flow in pipelines. It is also used in making climate graphs. So these are some of its uses, the uses of complex numbers. Now, what is a complex number? ये complex number है क्या? एक इक्वेशन लेते हैं. Let us to understand a complex number. Let's take one equation. क्वेश्चन आपको आ गया अगर solve x square plus 1 equal to 0 and we will write x square plus 1 equal to 0, x square is equal to minus 1. Now, do we have any number whose square is -1? So, for doing such kind of equations, एक mathematician था Euler. He developed a technique of solving such kind of equations. तो यूलर ने एक नंबर लिया अंडर रूट ऑफ -1. दिस इज द सिंपल imaginary number. Imaginary number are those numbers which are non-measurable. They cannot be plotted on a number line. So under root of -1, उसने इसको नाम दिया I. Under root of -1 is equal to I. I means iota. अगर मैं इसका स्क्वायर करता हूं -1 का स्क्वायर, दिस इज इक्वल टू -1. सो दैट मीन्स आयोटा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू -1. अगर मैं आयोटा स्क्वायर का भी स्क्वायर कर दूं, सो दैट मीन्स आयोटा स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर मीन्स द नंबर आयोटा स्क्वायर इज iota square is equal to -1 and iota square का square it is -1 का square, so that means iota 4 is equal to 1. So what is iota? Iota is the imaginary number and it is equal to under root of -1 or under root of -1 is equal to iota. तो अब हम यहां पर क्या करेंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू आयोटा स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज एक्स? एक्स इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस आयोटा. तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर हमारे पास यहां से स्टार्ट हुआ था. द सिंपलेस्ट इमेजिनरी नंबर इज अंडर रूट ऑफ -1 विच इज टेकन एज आयोटा. सो यूलर contribution is developing this number iota. Under root of -1 is equal to iota. Later on, it was developed by mathematician named Hamilton. So now, let's take one more example. If we have to solve x square plus 4 equal to 0, again we will write x square plus 4 equal to 0. X square is equal to -4. So we can write x square is equal to 4 into -1. So x square is equal to -1 is iota square. So x will be equal to plus minus 2 iota. अब आपको ये तो पता लग गया what is the meaning of iota. Iota is imaginary number iota. I means iota is imaginary number. This is imaginary number. Further, this cannot be plotted on a number line and these are non-measurable numbers.